So the noise ban in Ghana is finally over, and it wasn't for control. It was actually to support the farmers in their harvest. Whole month, no one is allowed to play music outdoors with Wi-Fi. We have seen how that can literally hinder the growth of plants. So it makes sense that music can also disturb their natural growth rhythms. And when we think about it, the standard frequency of music is 440 hertz, which is actually out of synchronization with the harmony of our bodies, out of harmony with the earth, because naturally the resonance is 432 hertz. There is a debate on how it does affect us subconsciously. It's funny that until modern science proved what these traditions have been doing for thousands of years, that it's just superstition, and if it's affecting the growth of plants, I wonder how it affects the growth of humans as well.